Welcome to Guided Body Scan Meditation.
Discover a beginner-friendly way to relax and connect with your body. A body scan meditation helps you build awareness and ease tension, one step at a time. Let's explore how this simple practice can enhance relaxation and support your overall well-being.
What is a body scan meditation?
A body scan meditation is a mindful practice where you focus your attention on different parts of your body, from head to toe. This helps you notice sensations, release stress, and bring calm to both mind and body. It's a gentle way to tune in and become more present.
Preparing for your practice.
Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to settle. Remember, there are no right or wrong sensations. Simply notice what you feel, without judgment or expectations.
Step-by-step, guided body scan.
Start at the top of your head. Gently observe any sensations, warmth, coolness, tingling. Move your attention slowly down to your face, neck, and shoulders. Relax each area as you go. Continue scanning down through your arms, chest, back, stomach, hips, legs, and feet. Pause and observe any sensations you notice along the way.
Finishing your meditation.
When you finish the body scan, bring your awareness back to the room. Notice your breath and any shifts in how you feel. Take a moment to thank yourself for practicing mindfulness. Repeat this meditation regularly to deepen relaxation and body awareness over time.